Hi guys, good morning. It's Adhrupa and welcome to my little corner of the internet. So, first of all, I just want to say Durga Puja is around the corner, and for that, Shubho Sharadiya tomader shobaike. And first of all, today I am finally going to my college for physical verification, and I'm very happy. Finally, I got the chance. For those who is thinking what physical verification right now, like end of September. I just want to say I हाँ पानी है पानी
पानी तो अनेक
Some of you, I know you guys are might be thinking what's going on? It's like end of September and you're going for physical verification. It's like मेरे फर्स्ट लिस्ट में नाम आ गया था, but जिस कॉलेज में मेरा नाम आया था मैंने उस कॉलेज में मुझे जाना नहीं था, ठीक है. तो इसलिए I waited for the second merit list and I applied again for the colleges, and this time I got my chance and thank God. Finally I'm going for my physical verification. I already got my admission online and now it's time to go for physical verification. And but maybe मुझे लगता है classes start होगी दुर्गा पूजा के बाद. Yes, finally guys, yes, I don't know, somewhere I'm very happy. I'm very happy. मेरे फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट में जो नाम आया था, जिस कॉलेज का नाम आया था और जिस डिग्री का नाम आया था, मुझे वो नहीं लेना था. And that is the reason I just cancelled my application. And मैंने एडमिशन हो गया था, ऑनलाइन एडमिशन कर लिया था फर्स्ट लिस्ट में, पर देन मैंने उसको कैंसिल कर दिया और मैंने अगेन मॉपअप राउंड में अप्लाई किया. सो फाइनली I did it! Yay! There will be lots of college content in future, obviously, and I'll definitely try my best to give you some updates and stuff. I'm gonna take you along for today, and yes, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm very grateful. I'm really grateful because बहुत दिन मैंने रोया है. I have literally 5 to 6 breakdown, and finally मुझे ये मिलने के बाद मुझे बहुत satisfaction हो रहा है और मुझे yes, I'm really happy. I don't need to say that actually. People नज़र लग जाती है. So far it's currently 10 a.m. and I'm planning to go to my college around 11:30, and that's what I have planned. Yes, finally. So that is it. I'm gonna take you all along for today, and I'm gonna record as much as possible. I can't really say I'm gonna record everything. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. It's not possible for me to record everything, but I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. I'm trying actually. I'm definitely trying to record outside and be more confident, and I'm trying because obviously people look around and it's a little weird, but I'm trying, and soon I'll conquer on it. Soon I'll be super good at it, so far that is it. Yay, I'm so excited. Yeah, and also happy Durga Puja again.
কালকে রাতে যখন বাড়ি আসে না তখন বৃষ্টি ছিল প্রচুর. বেগুনি যাওয়া তো ভালোই লাগে মা.
ফিল্টার আছে এটা.
হ্যাঁ, বেগুনিটা না বেগুনি কালারটা ভালো লাগে তাই বলছি. কালকে যে দেখছিল না ফ্লিপকার্টে না কিসে একটা চুড়িদার বেগুনি রঙের ভালো লাগছিল, কিন্তু কেনার পরে দেখা গেল পচা বেরোলো. আমরা 1 বছরের জামা কাপড় কিচ্ছু কিনবো না. খা না.
So guys, I'm ready to go and this is my outfit. I'm taking this file where I have all the documents and I'm taking this small bag for my phone, wallet and my clutches and stuff. That's it. That is it. Let's go. My mom is coming with me as well and my uncle also. गाइस मैं घर आ गई एंड अभी मैं शावर लेने जाने वाली हूँ और उसके बाद आके मैं थोड़ा बहुत बातें करूँगी क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली मैंने ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. यस सो व्हाटएवर. Guys, finally everything is done. Everything is done, okay? And tomorrow is my first day of college. And yes, done. All of that hustle, all of the problems are gone. And from tomorrow, there will be different kinds of problem, obviously. So yeah, and I'm gonna take you all with me for the college journey, and I'm very excited for tomorrow. I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow because obviously classes are already started from 29th August, and so far I have met one girl today, and I don't know what's going to happen. I have no idea. Like I'm kind of feeling like there are already maybe groups of people, like groups of friends. Obviously it's been almost 1 month, and it's kind of feel like maybe there are already friend groups, and how I'm gonna like get involved in that, and I'm very confused. I have no idea. So yeah, that's all. I'm gonna try my best to be a little more extrovert, to be a little open. I'm gonna communicate, I'm gonna talk to people, I'm gonna make friends, and that's all I'm thinking right now. All the positive things, and I'm gonna try my best. And I just want to say, if anyone here is like also going through this phase of college first day and all of that problems that they have, you can comment down below because you're not alone. That is it. Don't worry, everything will be alright. Everything will be alright. We'll figure it out. Yeah, we'll figure it out together. So yeah, don't worry. It's going to be alright. Even if we are a little late, it's okay. We are wildcard entries, so we're gonna rock that. Actually, yesterday I was talking to my friend and she was like, yeah, we are wildcard entries. And yes, that is true. We are wildcard entries. And we're gonna rock, guys. Don't worry. That is it. I'll see you soon evening. By the way, after college, मैंने Maggie खरीदी थी. I think it was Smart Mart or something, I don't know. And I bought this Oreo biscuit and some chocolates like Dairy Milk and stuff. So yeah, that's it. So guys, it's evening and I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna go out. For what? I don't know. I'm gonna go out right now. So let's go. So guys, I'm home right now and I just bought a few little stuff, so I'm just gonna show you that. So let's go. So मैंने ये वाली notebook खरीदी and it has this some like partition over here. So I really wanted something like this. So I got this aloe vera gel from Buro Plus and actually I used to use that Himalaya one, but वो नहीं था shop में, so it was like out of stock or something. So I got this one. I hope this will work well. And yeah, I use like aloe vera gel for like a lot of like purposes, and my mom also used it, so I got this. And also I got this conditioner. Obviously I'm also out of this conditioner, that's why I got this new one today. And that is it. That is whatever I got, and right now I'm just gonna clean a little bit of my room, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure because obviously first day I don't know how to go, how to dress. So yeah, after school it's like a very big shift. Like obviously we used to have this like those uniform and stuff, but now I don't know how to actually dress up or like choose the perfect outfit for college. Obviously like, you can't go like anything, go and wear something like stupid or something ridiculous. You have to wear something wisely. I mean, I don't know actually. I don't know. Yeah, I have watched a lots of videos, reels, and people are wearing some fashionable items, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about my college. So whatever, I'm just gonna clean a little bit of my room and I'm just gonna choose my outfit for tomorrow, and that's what I'm gonna do. And let's go. Just turning on my AC. It's really hot here, super hot. So guys, I was talking. So guys, my friend just called me and she was saying it's like a bad news, you know, and I'm kind of disappointed. But उसने news में सुना कि college नहीं होने वाला है कल के लिए college बंद है. मेरा college और किसका college ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's like just now, okay. अभी ये न्यूज़ में आया कि कल कॉलेज नहीं होने वाला है. क्यों नहीं पता मुझे, बिकॉज मैं न्यूज़ ज़्यादा नहीं देखती हूँ. हमारे कॉलेज से अलग करके कुछ ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन और कुछ नहीं आया है. हो सकता आएगा इन नाइट और समथिंग. ना आए तो कल जाऊँगी मैं कॉलेज, अदरवाइज नहीं जाना होगा. लेट्स नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय द मूड. आई एम जस्ट गोना राइट माय नेम ऑन दिस नोटबुक हियर. Okay guys, it's done. So yeah, let's do. I can't believe I'm already in college, guys. I was just like a kid. I'm still a kid, not really, but I was just like a silly kid. Just a few years back I used to say, Mama, you know, it's like I have time. I have so much of time for like my H's and stuff. And look, now I am like going to college. Like tomorrow is the first day, or maybe not. That doesn't matter. But yeah. So also I'm gonna take this handkerchief. I'm gonna eat my dinner right now, and I'm gonna go for sleep. I'm gonna write my diary as well today after a long time. So yeah. Alright guys, I have done writing my diary, and yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll see you soon with another video. Obviously I'm gonna record tomorrow as well. And also talking about today, it was a great day. I can finally say that I'm a student of like a first year BBA student, and I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm happy, even though maybe I don't know, maybe tomorrow is not going to be the first day of college. It's okay, it's not a big deal. I'm not gonna let that destroy my excitement and happiness, and there are already many stuff who is destroying it, and I'm not gonna let that. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you soon with another video Sunday evening 6 p.m. every week. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye. I love you guys so much. Stay positive, keep smiling. Bye bye. Signing off with love. It's your girl Adhrupa.